New words. To catch. Catch a ball. Catch a train. To lose. Lose your phone. Lose a ticket. To spend. Spend an hour on the beach. Spend a lot of time cooking. A trip. Go on a short trip. A business trip. A suitcase. A small suitcase. Put the suitcases in your car. To fly. They can fly. Fly from Warsaw to London. Present, past.
I go to the cinema once a month. I went to the cinema last month. She does her homework every day. She did her homework yesterday. We have a blue car. We had a green car last year.
They fly to Europe every 2 months. They flew to Europe last month. I always put my tickets in the suitcase. I put my tickets on the table 10 minutes ago. The bus leaves at 5:30. Your bus left 5 minutes ago. My dog always catches the ball when I throw it to him. My dog caught the ball when I threw it to him. I lost my phone on the beach. We spent a weekend in Spain. She went on a short trip to Cambridge. They caught a 5 o'clock train to London. Irregular verbs. Drive, drove. Ride, rode. Speak, spoke. Write, wrote. Say, said. Pay, paid. Take, took. Stand, stood. Understand, understood. Build, built. Send, sent. Spend, spent. Drink, drank. Sit, sat. Swim, swam. Catch, caught. Buy, bought. Teach, taught. Think, thought. Get, got. Sell, sold. Feel, felt. Keep, kept. Leave, left. Meet, met. Fly, flew. Throw, threw. Know, knew. Do, did. Choose, chose. Eat, ate. Go, went. Have, had. Find, found. Make, made. See, saw. Cost, cost. Put, put. Cut, cat. Read, read. Read and choose. They went to the cinema yesterday and watched a funny film. They lost my suitcase and I needed to speak with airport workers. They stopped at the petrol station and bought 2 coffees. We booked our tickets online and flew to Madrid on Sunday. Quiz. It was a good book and he read it very fast. We were too late and we couldn't book any tickets for that concert. He caught the bus to work. I threw the ball and she caught it. They spent a lot of money on food yesterday. We spent 2 great weeks in Italy.